Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see from the title, I will be doing another wig review. Now, honest to goodness, out of doing the hair and the makeup videos that I put out on my channel so far, I can definitely say I do love doing hair reviews more just because I'm more knowledgeable on it. I know what I'm talking about for the most part when it does come to criticizing wigs and seeing if they're up to date or not, or if whether they're good or bad or worth their money. And just because I just love hair in general, like I'm a wigaholic, I can admit that. Like, can anyone else raise their hand and be like, you know what, I'm a wigaholic too, like Wigaholic Anonymous. But yeah, so if you guys are curious to see my thoughts and initial review on this wig, stay tuned. But before I give you guys my 2 cents on this wig, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl down below. And yeah, now we can start. Alright guys, so in today's video, I will be reviewing the Sensationnel Empress Lace Wig, Lace Front Edge in the style Jocelyn. And I got her in the color number 1, which is basically a jet black color. Now, I am very impressed with how the stock card looks because usually, like as you can see, they actually did the effort and put in like a little bit of baby hairs, even when they did like the left and the right part. So I'm very, very, very happy about that because y'all know when you be going on Sam's Beauty or be looking at the stock cards, they be having the models looking a hot mess. Like, the model looks pretty, don't get me wrong, the model's gorgeous, the makeup's on point, but they literally just slap the wig on, cut the lace off, and then have her smile and pose and take pictures. And I'm just like, so it does claim that it's a freedom part lace wig. Now, I'm going to start a clip here so you guys can clearly see what I'm talking about when I say this. As you guys can see, the hairline looks very nice and very natural, number 1. I do really like the fact that if you're the type of person that wants to sit up here and pluck the hairline and make it look even more realistic, you can definitely do that because of the way it's shaped. It's not like that awkward oval shape that you usually get like with the older synthetic wigs. I can definitely say synthetic wig companies are keeping up with the times when it does come to how people wear their wigs now, so it's a lot more natural. So with that being said, I feel like this hair is definitely built to be a middle part and not really a left or a side part. I mean, you could wear the wig however you want to wear it, it's your prerogative, but in my opinion, it might feel weird on your head like once you actually put it on, just because again, I feel like it's definitely constructed to be a middle part. Also, the way the combs are set up, like there's a comb right smack dab in the middle of my neck right now, so I feel like that'll be a little weird if it's, you know, over here or over there. Like, y'all know what I'm talking about when it comes to you trying to shift your wig to the left and to the right, and then like it just kind of fits a little awkward. So don't take it by its word. I personally don't feel like this wig is a freedom part type of wig, but you do have that option. So when it does come to this wig, I really do like the fact that the part is already basically the way I want it to be. Like, honestly, I didn't do any plucking, nothing like that. The only thing I did to this wig before I jumped on here to film this is I cut the lace, obviously, and I also used the LA Colors mineral press powder, so that's what that looks like. And I have the color Fair. As you guys can see, the part's really good. Before, I wish I would have did a clip for this, but before I even put the powder on, you could clearly see the difference between where my nude wig cap is, which is about right here, and then where the rest of the hair was there. So you can definitely see the difference, but once I put the press powder on, everything just blends out a lot more seamlessly. And as you guys can see here as well, like the lace ends like right here. So I feel like if there was some way I was able to bleach the knots on the synthetic unit, it would have just been at a 10. Now when it does come to the lace, it is a lot softer than other lace that I've had with other synthetic units, like, because you know how most of the time the lace is a lot tougher and even gets to the point where it's a little bit itchy. I don't experience that with this wig whatsoever, so I like that as well. When it does come to tangling and shedding, I literally have been wearing this wig, I would say, for about an hour now, and I haven't really ran my fingers through it too much because it's one of those units that, like, if you start combing through it, the waves are gonna be flipping all over the place. So I'm not really the type of person, like, once I have it the way I want it, I don't touch it for the most part. But I'm just gonna do the bottom for you guys because I love y'all. You're welcome. But I haven't really experienced that much shedding. I do get about a strand like as you guys can see. Actually I have 2 strands. Oop, one just fell. But anyway, so I do have what I just did, that I did get 2 strands. Mind you, I literally just cut the lace and I haven't really like fully combed through it. So that could be a reason why. I don't feel like this is the type of unit that's going to be shedding throughout the day, but we will definitely see. When it comes to tangling, again, the tangling is not bad at all. It's just obviously when you first get a wig fresh out the box, especially a curly or a wavy unit, it's uniformed and shaped to be a specific way. So once you start manipulating it and messing with it, you will get a little bit of pushback, but nothing like, it's not matting or anything like that. For anyone that was curious as well, this is actually all the hair pushed to the front. Now, you could make this hair a lot more fuller if you really wanted to. Me personally, I feel like when you do that, you're kind of reducing the time that the wig's gonna look nice, if that makes sense. So me personally, I don't prefer to like make my hair as big as possible, because then that causes extra frizz, and again, the longevity of your wig gets shortened by a lot when you manipulate the crap out of it when you first get it. Also, I would say I'm like 5'6", maybe even 5'6.5", if anyone's using me as a sizing reference. And this wig goes like right underneath my boob. So I like that. The length is perfect for me. The color is perfect for me. The style is perfect for me. So far, I'm in love with Miss Jocelyn. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. This is my first initial review on this wig. So far, I'm absolutely loving it. It looks so good on me. I love the way the curls fall. I love everything about this wig so far, even when it comes to the lace and all that good stuff. Definitely keep a lookout for an update video. I'll probably be having one on my channel for this wig in maybe like 2 weeks. I'm gonna try to shoot for 3, just because that's like on average how long I would want a synthetic wig to last, at least, and basically show you guys like, all right, this is what the hair looks like, this is what to expect after this amount of time, blase blase. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed the review, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl down below, and check out some of my other videos. Like, this ain't the first one on my channel. I have like 50 other videos, but just a fair warning, some of like the older ones, like when I first started my channel back in August, are a little cringy, so don't judge me. But yeah, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day or evening or whatever night you happen to be watching this, and yeah, have a good one.